Hello church, this is Brother Josh, assistant pastor here at Victory. During this unusual time of us not assembling together, many of you have called and asked the church office, how can we continue to give and support our local church? So in response to those requests and those questions, we have put together a very simple step-by-step video on how you can set up your online giving. Okay guys, the first step that you will need to do is go to victorybc.com. That is the church's website, and you'll see here, this is the home page. This is a mobile version of the process, but if you're on a desktop, it looks very similar. And you want to go down to the Give tab. You'll see it right there, and you'll click Learn More. On the Give tab, you'll see there's a section right there in the middle that says New to Online Giving with a question mark, and there's a blue thing that says Click Here, a blue link that says Click Here. You'll click on that, and it goes you to the page. Click on that, and it takes you to the page where you can get started, and the link is Sign Up. Once you click the Sign Up button, it will take you to another page where you'll put in your information. And the great thing about this is, guys, is the first time that you put this information in, it's a sign up, and then you won't have to do it ever again after this. It's just getting you registered. So you see here on the screen, you have your name, first and last, and now you're putting in your email address. Be sure to give a good email that you can go back to, because you're going to need to verify this account. So I'll put my email there, and then I'm putting in a password that I can remember. Make sure you put something in that's memorable that you can go back and sign up with. Now it goes sign in, and what it's done, it has now sent you an email to your address, and now you need to go confirm the email that you just sent to yourself. So here's my email account. You'll see the very first one up top is called Subsplash, and that is the name of the platform, the giving platform that we use here at Victory. And all you have to do is go down there and click Confirm My Address, and success. There it is, we have it, it's confirmed. And now that you've done that, you'll go back to the main home screen of Victory one more time, victorybc.com. You will scroll down to the same tab, the Giving tab, and you'll click Learn More again. Now you are registered, now you're signed up, and you just need to go in and enter your information. Here we are at the Give page again. You'll click on the amount that you want to give. I'm just going to put $50 in here, and you'll see there's different drop-down tabs here that you can select. We want to go to the Tithe General Fund, and you can see there's a section that you can place a one-time gift, you can select a weekly gift, you can select a monthly gift, and it will reoccur. This makes it easy for anybody who maybe wants this automatically deducted or drafted, but we're just going to select one-time gift for now. We'll hit Next. Now here's our page. We can see that we have a one-time gift, and we signed up with an email, so we want to continue with email. And here it says welcome back. You'll enter in the email and the password that you signed up with. I'm going to put in my email address, joshtesh@hotmail.com. Now I put in the password that I created just moments ago, and now I can log into my account. And now all you're going to do is you're going to log into your account, and now we're at the section where we can actually link up our debit or credit card with our account. Click that link. Take a moment and enter your card information, all 16 digits, month and year, and then the code that's on the back. The 3-digit code that's on the back. After all that information is in, click the link button. Now your debit card is attached to your account. You can see there at the top it has all 16 digits. Some of them are gone. It's just the last 4. Now that debit card is attached to your account. You no longer have to put that in every time you give. You no longer have to sign up every time you give. Everything is saved, so you can do this quickly and easily next time you come on the page. Now you just select Give, and the gift is received, and you have just completed your setup and your process for online giving at Victory Baptist Church. Church, we hope this answers all of your questions. We are praying for you. We love you, and thank you so much for your eternal investment in your church and the work of the Lord. God bless you.